Let's say that you've seen my video about seated brackets, and you now want to make sure that you're using a bracket that balances seating with rest time. So the question is, should you use the bracket that I proposed in all your battle tournaments? Probably not. If you use the same exact bracket every single time, your event would become predictable. Everyone will catch on that the opening battle will involve the number 4 seed, the number 2 seed would be in the middle battle of the first round, and the number 6 seed will always be screwed over with minimal rest time. This opens up the door for something we want to avoid: confirmation bias. We want to make sure that our judges are judging the event as fair as possible. If a judge happens to know which of the two dancers is the higher seed, then there's a chance that judge will tend to vote for the higher seed because of confirmation bias. And that's at no fault to any particular judge. Human brains are just weird. So it's in our best interest to not reveal what the dancers' ratings are until after the event is over. This includes using brackets with different orders. In my opinion, there are 9 different brackets you can use where the order is balanced with the seed of each dancer. So after your prelims is over and you have your seeded top 16, just grab a random number generator and use it to determine which of these brackets you'd be using for your finals. Okay, cool. So now let's talk about the Rovak routine. I updated the system so that seeding and bracket order are all determined by prelim results. How it works is that the ratings of all the dancers from each side of the bracket are added up. The group that has the higher sum gets the favored bracket position. So for example, the 1, 16, 8, and 9 dancers have their ratings added up, and the 4, 13, 5, and 12 dancers have their ratings added up. If the former has the highest sum, that group is placed in the upper quarter of the bracket. If the latter has the higher sum, then they are going to be placed in the upper quarter of the bracket. Personally, I think this is a very fair way to do it. While your seed determines who you're going to be facing against, your combined rating with your opponents determine how much rest time you get between battles. And most importantly, it still avoids judges having confirmation bias because your bracket is no longer predictable. And that's basically it. This was the update video I mentioned about in the FD report video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. You want to watch this video. You want to watch this video so bad. You want to watch it so bad.